But do you remember any of the lessons?
Good morning. Today is pouring outside. I'm headed to my hair appointment because I'm going to Europe soon and I want to do like a little makeover transformation to prepare myself for Europe because it's my first time going there. Then I'll have my nail appointment and then finally my lash. If you don't know, the first time I got my hair done was at Salon. Ever since I've been going every month or every 2 months, and honestly, like, she does an amazing job. Note that if you want to go as light as I did this time, yes, they had to bleach it. However, all the other times I did not bleach it because I was okay with a darker brown. This time I really wanted ginger just for my trip, but I think after that I'm just gonna go back to the regular dark brown. They really do everything in details. They go strand by strands and I couldn't ask for a better service, and they're super sweet. We have just like a lot of things to talk about. It's like never ever awkward, and it's just like super fun to work with them, and I know that my hair will always look good. Hello, I'm back from my appointment. I did not think it was gonna last that long, but my hair is absolutely stunning. I asked her to do the exact same color as the first time that I bleached it, and it looks amazing. I love it. And the only difference is that I also asked my eyebrows to be the same color, and I know they look a bit light, but with eyebrow gel and a bit of fill-in, it's gonna be perfect because I do prefer my eyebrows lighter. I know not everyone likes that, but I really like it. Hello, so I just got my hair done. I'm going to my nail appointment and I am very late, so let's go. I'm hungry.
You know?
Oh my god, that's so cute.
But yeah, look, here's the inspo.
Oh my, okay, it looks like
This is the nail salon I used to go to.
So I've been getting my nails done every month at Shaz Salon, and usually it's Shaz that shapes and files my nails, and then Saba does the design. And today we're working on a really cute design. It has been on my Pinterest board for a really long time, guys. I tried to recreate it a few times and it kind of flopped, but this time it was perfect. It didn't look exactly like the picture, however, I love the result. We really worked on every single nail by nail until like 9 p.m, which is absolutely crazy. So this is the result, but you'll see better footages in Europe. Okay, now I'm getting my lashes done with Vani. She's the sweetest and the most patient human I know. She does an amazing job. I asked her to do the same thing as the first time, which was, I believe, a classic set, but because we were running out of time, she did like a wet set, I believe, but it gave me a kind of manga effect while still being super natural, and even when it was falling off, it looked super natural, and I just had to add a bit of mascara. And when I tell you she's patient, she's really gonna work through every single lashes, and if she doesn't like the result, she'll adjust it and fix it until she's happy with it, which makes it super reassuring as a customer to know that you will only leave once she's 100% happy with the job. Alright, I know I did say that I love my eyebrows, which I totally did, but it was just a very specific vibe. It would have only suited if I had like straight hair and more of a city girl aesthetic. However, I am going to Europe and I knew I was gonna curl my hair, so I decided to just dye them a bit darker with a box dye, which always works for me. Alright, well, that was it for my glow up. I did say a little glow up because for some people they'll go way above and beyond for a trip glow up, and some people might consider too much. I kept it fairly simple. I didn't want to be overwhelmed with appointments, but I was really happy and ready to go to Europe, and here are like a few outfits I packed. I packed way too many outfits for the amount of days I was staying there. But however, I was happy enough that I was able to shoot everything. Everything somehow fitted in my suitcase. I did have to put a few pajamas in my friend's suitcase. But yeah, and I finished off by doing a few researches just to know exactly what I wanted to do in every little town on the French Riviera. But that's it. Make sure to watch my first Europe vlog, which is coming like next week or in a few days. I put a lot of effort into editing these, so I hope you guys enjoy them, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
I've got some coffee that I have made. I'll get it for you.
Bye.